Hey, what's up Dogecoin holders? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special because Dogecoin is surprise for every holder, my friend. Dogecoin is moving off like a rocket again and again. This time you can see, my friend, the Dogecoin is moving up. This time our 12.72% they're going up. So this is not a small dump, but in the last previous days, my friend, they very badly fell down. You can see here, but this time you can see here in the last 24 hours, they're starting moving again up. So congratulations Dogecoin, they are come to again in the old form. So let's see, my friend, towards the prediction in upcoming days, they moving up or they falls down more. This is the end of month. Everybody understand this is the end of the month. Therefore all cryptocurrencies has gone very fastly moving up. So therefore Dogecoin also start again moving up. So my friend, the target $1. This is the target of Dogecoin, my friend. Latest $1. I hope they can hit it easily at the end of this month. So my friend, this is not possible to hit it just in 2 days, but I hope just in an upcoming week they can hit it easily. So if you can see here, my friend, just the last 1 hour result, you can see here this time the change occur is 1.59% going up. Congratulations Dogecoin holder, they are completely moving up in this current time. Remember this change occur, this is very important for the prediction, my friend, which we do and this time, my friend. So let's check out the last 7 days chart, what's going on in the last 7 days. Okay my friend, this time in the last 7 days everybody understand to they're completely fails down after a very fast and highest jump, my friend. They fails down, you can see here this time exactly. But they go starting, you can see here this is the resistance line, my friend, and this is this line, my friend. You can see here the highest point they touch it. So this time you can see here after a fails, my friends, they take again jump and they cross it. So there this time you can see here they are not a very bad falls, very sorry my friend, but not a big also my friend. But after that, my friend, in the last previous day they take a very high jump and they hit again the highest point. You can see here this time also they touch the highest point. So they again touch the highest point and they moving off like a rocket. So congratulations everybody. This time you can see here already in the previous day minus 1.02% they fell down. A lot of coins very badly fell down, but Dogecoin is not a big fall, my friend. They take also very small falls and after that they take again very high jump. Congratulations in upcoming days, my friend. What this is my prediction to upcoming days, they going up like a rocket, and this is proof you can see here in the chart, my friend. And everybody understand to after a very bad falls they take a very high jump. So this is, my friend, the jump time. Exactly, this is jump time. So the good time is coming soon. Please hold it and wait for the end of this month, or just wait for the $1 to they hit it, then sell it. I hope they make you millionaire, they make you very rich man. Okay, so don't sell it, hold it and wait for the end of this month. Thank you so much, my friends. Please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. See you next time.